The first step to making papa rellenas is to go ahead and cut your potatoes and boil them. Once that's done boiling, go ahead and take them out, season with salt and pepper, mash them up and set it aside to cool down. Next, dice up some tomatoes, garlic, red pepper, green onions, and cilantro. Go ahead and add your chopped vegetables except the cilantro. The cilantro you will add later. Go ahead and add your cumin and add your sazon Goya that you can find in your international section of the store. Now that this is finished cooking, we'll go ahead and add the cilantro. Go ahead and set this aside to cool down so we can use it for the potatoes. Now that we're done creating the stuffing for the potato, go ahead and take your mashed potatoes and flatten into your hand. Get a spoon and take some spoonfuls of meat. Form it into a cup and cover it with more potato. Go ahead and mold it into a ball. Once that's done, go ahead and dip it into your flour. Next into your eggs. And finish it off with some breadcrumbs. Go ahead and fry your potatoes. Remember that everything inside is already cooked. All we need is to cook the outside of the breading. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and try this recipe at home. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on my channel. Thanks for watching.